The blower motor resistor or controller is responsible for keeping the blower motor, located under the dashboard, spinning at the desired speed, which results in a comfortable vehicle cabin temperature. Older blower motor resistors were simple devices that reduce the electrical current flowing to the blower motor through a resistor or a set of resistors. The higher the resistance, the lower the fan speed. This design typically limits the selection of available settings to 1 to 5. Blower motor controllers found on vehicles with automatic temperature control feature nearly an infinite number of speeds due to their electronic control of the blower motor. Both blower motor resistors and controllers are typically mounted under the dash near the blower motor itself. Reducing the speed of the blower motor creates heat within the resistor. Therefore, they need to be mounted directly into the box that air is distributed through, commonly referred to as the HVAC case. This direct mounting allows for air to flow past the resistor and keep it cool. Never run the blower motor without the resistor in the airflow, as it will overheat and fail. Blower motor resistors often fail as the result of another problem. For example, a restriction in intake airflow due to leaves and debris can cause premature failure due to a lack of air volume cooling the blower motor resistor. A failing blower motor can cause an increase in required current to run the motor, along with a possible reduction in fan speed and air movement, causing the blower resistor to overheat and fail. When replacing a blower motor resistor, always inspect the cabin air filter if the vehicle is equipped with one. It could be restricted with debris, resulting in the failure. If the blower motor itself isn't spinning like it should because of worn bearings or other reasons, the blower motor resistor may fail prematurely. When inspecting the HVAC box and blower motor, look at the connector that plugs into both the blower motor resistor and the blower motor itself. Make sure that nothing is damaged, melted, or showing signs of overheating. If this is present, replace the connector, but be sure to diagnose the reason for the damaged connector before replacing it. A melted connector is commonly caused by another faulty component, many times the blower motor itself. Carquest Vehicle Solutions blower motor resistors are built by manufacturers using extensive research, testing, and validation to ensure that they meet or exceed OE specifications. It's important to note that some new blower motor resistors may not look like the one removed from the vehicle. That's often because the heat sink mounted on the resistor or even the style of the resistor may have changed to increase its efficiency and reduce failures. The results will be the same though, changing the blower motor speed to what's been selected by the vehicle's driver or occupants. As a complete engine management line that's committed to design, engineering, manufacturing, and testing, Carquest Vehicle Solutions is your trusted source for quality parts.